Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School, welcomes you all for today's English 1 class. In our previous video, we have learned the song of alphabet song. Now, today we are going to do the exercise of the same song. So, the second question is say the letter from A to Z and fill the missing letters. For this, we have to say all the alphabet letters in the alphabet A to Z and try to fill the blanks. So first, what is it? A, B, C, D, E is already written. So we'll write B, C, D, E in the blank. Go to the second one. O. What comes after O? Right. It's P, Q and R is written. Very good, all of you. What is the next one? F. What comes after F? F, G, H, I and J is written. So now you completed from A to Z. When we say A to Z, you will be able to complete these things. Listen and tell the next letter. Now here you have to give the next letter. What comes after M? Yes. What comes? Yes, right. It's N. N comes after M. Now go to the next one. What comes after J? Right. K. J, K. Go to the next one. What comes after N? Yes. O. Very good. The next one V. What comes after V? Yes. It's W. Very good, all of you. Now you have done the very right thing. Now we'll go to the next question. The next question is listen and tell the letters before. Yes, what is the before letter you have to tell here? What comes before B? It's A. Right. What comes before M? Yes, before M? L. Very good. Very good, all of you. What comes before S? Guess. Try to read. Recognize. Yes, it's R. What comes before Z? Before Z. Yes, it's. What is it? Right. It's Y. Very good, all of you. See, what is the next question here? Choose any letter from A to Z. Write within 2 minutes at least 5 words which have that letter. See, if we choose A, we can write ant, or else apple, or else aeroplane, air, anything from starting with A. Any alphabet you can take and you can write 5 words on that alphabet. Okay, this work you have to do in the notebook. Now we'll see the next question. Make up meaningful phrase or sentence by using words which begin with the same sound. See, it is that you have to make a meaningful sentence or any phrase which begin with the word with the same sound. See, big, it means B. So we have to make a sentence, meaningful sentence or phrase which start with the letter B over here. So they have shown us how to do it, right? What is the first one? B. A big blue ball for baby. What does it mean? Every first letter is sounding B. A big blue ball for a baby. So all the letters in this sentence starting with the same sound. Yes? Read it. A big blue ball for baby. A big blue ball for baby. All the sounds are of B. So now we'll go to the next one. In the same way, we will make the sound of green, that is G. Go. We will make the sentence with the same sound of G. Are you all ready? Yes? Do you remember any words sounding with G? So let's do it. G, that is go. So it can be green, grass, what, etc. What? Are you able to do any sentence? We'll do it. Green grass in the garden. That is G for green. Again grass. That is G. G in the garden. So green grass in the garden. These all are starting with sound of G. That is G. Now see what's the next word? C-O-L-D, cold. So you can make a word starting with K sound, that is cold coffee in a cup. Cold coffee in a cup. All starts with C, that is K. All the words in this sentence starts with the letter C, that is K. Now go to the next one. D-O-G-S, dogs. What does the sound? D. Dogs means D. So what will be? Dirty dogs dig the mud. So the sentence we can form D, dirty, D, dog. Yes, the dig, the, and M-U-D, mud. D at the end. Now go to the next one. What is the next word? E-I-G-H-T, 8. So it's starting with A. 8 elephant eat 8 bananas. Yes, 8 elephants eat 8 bananas. So all the starting sound is E. 8 elephant eat again 8 bananas. Okay. All the words in this sentence starts with E. The sound is A. Now what is the next question? Write the word starting with the letter given in the circle. So starting with the letter A, you can write any word whatever you like ant, and, 8, or anything else, aeroplane, apple, anything whatever you like. Okay. So start writing whatever you know. Apple, ant, X, aeroplane, or any other words also you can write if you want. Now go to the next one, that is G. So you will write the words with G. Are you all ready? You will write by own. Now go to the next question. Frame meaningful words using the letters given. So you can make meaningful lots of word over here using these letters. NOT not, COT cot, DOT dot, LOG log, BOG bog. Any words you can frame it by yourself and complete the given lines. Yes? So are you all ready for it? So let's start. NOT, not. What else? Yes, LOG, log. Right. What else you can write? Anything else? No? So I explained you the 2 examples. Rest all examples you can write it by your own. Okay. So I hope you understood all the things from this alphabet song and also the sounds of alphabets. Now everybody will complete it in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.